Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating the obvious but critical points. Check Bgmi server status and any announced maintenance. Once done, make sure your Google or Apple account region matches India, since Bgmi restricts by account region. Mismatches cause the busy/restricted error. Update the app to the latest build, clear the game cache and data, and reboot your device. These steps remove corrupted local files and sync region settings, giving you a clean baseline before moving to network or account fixes. Now focus on connectivity and account revalidation. You should toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate ISP issues, test latency and packet loss because high packet loss mimics server busy errors. Change your DNS to a stable public resolver, for example 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to improve routing to Bgmi endpoints. Then log out and re-authenticate the game so tokens refresh. Make sure in-game region and app permissions are correct. Because authentic for final resolution, gather error screenshots, device model, OS version, and game logs, then contact Bgmi support and explain you see a server busy/restricted area error. Provide the collected details so they can investigate region flags or account blocks. Be cautious about VPNs. While some users try them, they can violate terms and risk bans, so prefer official guidance. If nothing else works, perform a clean reinstall after backing up progress. This eliminates corrupted installs and often resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.